Today was a big day. uh, Started out with Starbucks oatmeal. That was good. I ate it with my mouth and I enjoyed it. After that, we went out and we went to High Point University for the first time, and there was a sign that had our names on it, Jim and Jason Cathcart, and it was in front of a parking space, and we just parked there, and we posed next to the sign. Someone took a picture, and that was nice. Here you go. Here's the picture. And after that, we went on a tour throughout the campus. Really short tour, but it was really cool. And after that, my grandfather performed at a cafe, and it was just in front of a bunch of college students, and they were all eating stuff.
In my arms, and I want you, and all your charms. Whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. When I feel blue, it's a taste of home, taste of love, and the thrill of Mountain Dew. It's a touch of heaven with a dash of hell. We call it barbecue. Cheesesteaks, hot dogs, hot wings, tacos, pizza, and burgers are cool. But it's barbecue on ribs that says break out the bibs.
We had brunch. I had my first ever omelet. Never had an omelet before because I don't like cheese. But they made omelets with whatever you want. It was just like, choose this, choose that, choose that, choose this, choose that, and then they made the omelet, and I ordered mine without cheese, and I liked it. Here's a video of me eating it. I give the omelet 2 thumbs up. That is my thumb right there. After that, we went and Grandpa gave a speech to a bunch of people. And in the beginning of that speech, he asked if I wanted to show him a magic trick, because I had my cards out, just doing flourishes, because I was bored. And everyone was kind of like, ooh, you a magician? And I was like, well, just a little bit. And they're like, ooh, can you do a trick? And I was like, well, I mean, I guess. And then I showed them a trick, and they were like, what? And I was like, yeah. And they were like, what? And it was cool. Here's the picture.
Okay, what's going on in the picture here is this. Right here is me. Over her is the nice lady that helped me out with the trick. Down here is what's going on in her hands, which is the trick. And those are cards.
And after that, we went and I did a bunch of my schoolwork in these really cool chairs over by the student center. Man, this is what the chairs look like. This place is amazing. It's magical. The pianos play themselves. It's amazing. There was also an arcade, and that was really cool. Check that out. Look at this place. Air hockey, ping pong, arcade.
Check this out.
Huge stage. Oh snap. There is a car on the wall.
And this is a performance stage.
Yeah, TVs and stuff.
Yep.
Got more bean bags. Foosball. Oh my god. Yeah, he does.
Like that.
Sports show. Oh god. Oh, God. No. Grandpa. Grandpa, no. 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 This isn't right. I've died and I've gone to heaven. It's terrible. Ski ball. No. And that was awesome. So after that, we went and we had dinner with 3 women from the sales department, and it was a great dinner. We had spicy meatballs, and we had turkey, and we had fire drill. And that was a false alarm. Here's what that looked like.
So is that 2 4 times? What?
But while we were outside, I did some magic tricks, and I did a bunch more inside afterwards. And that was really fun. And then after that wonderful meal, we went downstairs and to a couple buildings over, and Grandpa gave a speech. And it was cool, and I found it very nice and educational and interesting. It was about sales and all the different steps you need to go through to make an efficient sale and make sure the customer is happy. That was fun. And then after that, we went out and we came back to the hotel, and now I'm in bed and I'm tired. Well, that's it for today. First day of going through the university. Beautiful campus. High Point University. Definitely check it out if you ever get an opportunity. And I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.